Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just wanted to do a quick review on one of my favorite products, this Black Magic Tire Wet. Basically gets your tires looking real shiny. You just spray it on. Kind of like to do it kind of in a long spray. We can get a pretty generous helping on there. And then you just rub it in. Sometimes you have to make one or two passes. But this stuff lasts for a long time. Keeps your tire looking real nice looking. I'll put a link down below where you can buy it. But if you're interested in having nice looking tires this year, make sure to pick up this. It's pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. No need to spray it on your tread because it'll just wear off right away. But on the outside, it looks real nice. Wipe away any of the excess that you get on your rim. If you got any questions, make sure to put them in the comments below. Again, I'll put a link down for this where you can buy it in the description down below. And I'll catch you all next time.